When it comes to luxury real estate, some homes take opulence to a whole new level. These homes are the epitome of luxury, with features and facilities that cater to the needs and desires of the ultra-wealthy. In this video, we will take a closer look at the 7 most expensive houses in the world, their facilities, the number of rooms, and other features that make them so coveted. Number 5, Les Palais Bulles, estimated worth $390 million. Les Palais Bulles, or the Bubble Palace, is located in Cannes, France, and was designed by the Hungarian architect Antilla. The property was built in the 1970s and is now owned by Pierre Cardin, the famous fashion designer. The house has a total of 10 bedrooms and bathrooms, including a master suite that covers an entire floor. The property also features a 500-seat amphitheater, several swimming pools, and a series of interconnected terraces and gardens. Number 4, Villa Les Cetris, estimated worth $450 million. Villa Les Cetris is located in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France, and was built in 1830. The property was previously owned by King Leopold II of Belgium before it was purchased by the Marny-l'Apostole family, the owners of Grand Marny. The villa has a total of 14 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, and a ballroom that can accommodate up to 300 guests. The property is surrounded by 35 acres of landscaped gardens, and there is a large swimming pool, a pool house, and a helipad on the estate. Number 3, Villa Leopolda, estimated worth $750 million. Villa Leopolda is another villa located in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France. The property was built in 1902 and was previously owned by King Leopold II of Belgium. The current owner of the villa is Lily Safra, a Brazilian philanthropist and widow of the billionaire banker Edmund Safra. The villa has a total of 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, and a ballroom that can accommodate up to 200 guests. The property is spread over 50 acres and includes a swimming pool, several gardens, and a helipad. Number 2, Antilla, estimated worth $1 billion. Antilla is located in Mumbai, India, and is owned by Mukesh Ambani, the chairman of Reliance Industries, one of India's largest conglomerates. The property is named after the mythical island of Antilla and is considered one of the most extravagant homes in the world. The property is spread over 400,000 square feet and has a total of 27 floors, with each floor having a unique design and function. The house has a total of 6 underground parking floors, a ballroom, a theater, several swimming pools, and a yoga studio. There is also a health center, a spa, and a salon, and the house is staffed by over 600 people. Number 1, Buckingham Palace, estimated worth $2.9 billion. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the British monarch and is located in the heart of London. The palace was built in 1703 and has been the residence of the British monarch since 1837. The palace has a total of 775 rooms, including 19 staterooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 188 staff bedrooms, 92 offices, and 78 bathrooms. The palace is surrounded by 40 acres of gardens, and there is also a helicopter landing area and a lake. The palace is also home to the famous changing of the guard ceremony, which takes place every day during the summer months. These are the 7 most expensive houses in the world, each with its unique features and facilities. From sprawling estates in the Hamptons to modern penthouses in Monaco, these homes offer a glimpse into the lifestyle of the ultra-wealthy. While these homes may be out of reach for most of us, they serve as a testament to the human desire for luxury and extravagance.